Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the battery in your Dyson SV10 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can extend the life of your device. In this tutorial, we will guide you through each step meticulously. First, ensure you have the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by turning off your Dyson SV10 and unplugging it from any power source. Lay it down on a flat surface to avoid any unnecessary damage. Next, use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the two screws located at the back of the battery compartment. These screws can be a bit tight, so apply steady pressure as you turn. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery pack away from the device. Be cautious, as there might be some resistance. If you're struggling, check for any additional clips or latches that might be holding the battery in place. Now that the battery is out, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with your soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Before installing the new battery, ensure it's compatible with your Dyson SV10. If you're unsure, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify the right replacement. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment and gently push it into place until you hear a click. Now, take your T15 Torx screwdriver again and replace the screws to secure the battery. Make sure they are snug but do not over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Once the screws are in, check the battery alignment to ensure everything is fitted correctly. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a convenient option, no calls, no travel. Just let us know your needs, and we'll take care of the rest. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV10 and allow it to charge fully before attempting to use it. This ensures optimal performance and battery longevity. If you're still facing issues even after replacing the battery, contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your vacuum running like new again. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.